After today, I think you'll understand that I really love salads. Really love salads. In fact, you may even think that I'm obsessed with them, because I am. So much so that I actually always have a salad bar in the fridge at home. Now, if you want to see the video all about that, click on the link below. So I'm going to make you a salad that is now going to be on heavy rotation at my place. It has got all my favourite leaves, and I'm adding in some soft-boiled eggs, some delicious cold smoked trout, and some toasted sourdough with goat's cheese grilled till bubbling. I'm ready to share with you an irresistible cold smoked trout salad. So let's start with the sourdough toasts. This baguette is a couple of days old. Once they're well oiled, just a tiny bit of salt and into the oven. Let's do the dressing super quick. Jar handy. I'm going to add to the jar a chopped eschalot or French shallot. And on top of that, I've got olive oil, lemon juice, pepper and salt, and give it a shake. That's my lemon juice and olive oil salad dressing. Golden, toasty deliciousness. And just in case you didn't understand how crunchy they are, so good. I'm going to soft boil a couple of room temperature eggs, room temperature water. While the eggs are boiling, I'm going to smear the goat's cheese on the toasts. I just can't resist. Such a good combo. I'm just going to set them aside till the very last minute when I'm going to put them under the grill. You'll need a big mixing bowl, and I'm going to put in all my leaves. I've got radicchio, some kale, rocket, fresh parsley leaves, freshly sliced Brussels sprouts. Yum. Do these in a mandolin or food processor if you've got. And some chives. Give it a toss with your hands before you add any dressing. Hands again. And I am giving some of the leaves a little massage on the way through. Just find it helps coat them with the dressing. I'm going to just have a little taste to make sure it's seasoned well. Happy? Now I'm going to add some walnuts for that crunch. Avocado. Now I'm going to give it one more gentle toss. I am using this fantastic product from Stephen Hodges. It is freshwater high country trout from Victoria. It is fantastic, and this is cold smoked. If you don't know who Stephen Hodges is, you've got to check out my fish and chips episode. He's on it and he's hilarious. And then flaking this beautiful trout on top. Pretty much second last thing is to put the toasts under the grill. I'm going to add an egg to each one. Concentration. Perfect. The edges are a little charred, which I like. And that is my new favourite cold smoked trout salad with lots of fresh leaves. I'm diving in. I love so much about this salad. Firstly, I've got salad in my teeth, so I'll have to stop. The freshness of the leaves, the radicchio is a bit bitter. The kale has got like really good substance and texture to it. Then you've got all these other things. You've got this really well flavoured trout. The eggs jammy and perfect. The walnuts add a crunch and a great flavour. All in all, my favourite salad. This week anyway. Check out our channel page for more episodes as I walk around this beautiful city in search of the most excellent dishes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for walking up an appetite with me. Remember, there's got to be joy in the journey and deliciousness in the destination.